Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will talking about factors affecting the rate of enzymes activity. Objective: students will be able to explain effects of temperature on enzymes activity. Students' effectiveness of enzyme can be affected by different environmental conditions. There are three factors you need to know. First, temperature, second, pH, and third, substrate concentration. So remember these points. Let's focus on temperature first. This is very popular question in exams. At low temperature around 0, the enzyme activity is almost 0 as well. What happens is at low temperature, kinetic energy of enzyme and substrate molecule is low. Means that both enzyme and substrate molecule move slower and chances of them to collide and binding together to form enzyme substrate complex are low as well. Therefore, the rate of enzymes reaction is slow. As the temperature increase, the rate of enzyme also increase. Can you explain why is it so? This is because the kinetic energy of enzyme and substrate molecule increasing as the temperature increasing. So both will move faster and chances for colliding and binding for them higher. So the next question is, what is optimum temperature? The answer is the temperature at which enzyme activity is highest. For human, optimum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Beyond the optimum temperature, you will find rate of enzyme reaction decrease. Why is it so? This is because the chemical bond that hold the enzyme molecule begin to break. Due to high temperature and therefore specific 3D structure of the enzyme and active site destroyed. And therefore the substrate can no longer bind to the active site of the enzyme. Hence, this is known as denaturation of enzyme. It is important to note that the effect of temperature is irreversible. It means that even though you lower down the temperature, the denatured enzyme will not recover. So here is a graph on which x-axis the temperature will be written, and on y-axis the enzyme's activity will be measured. At 0 degree C, the enzyme's activity will also be lower. And you are moving towards the highest peak of the curve. This is the optimum temperature, that in human 37 degrees Celsius. When you lower down towards the curve, you will notice that the enzyme's activity will be lost, and this is known as denaturation of enzymes. Thank you very much. Hope you find this lecture useful.